So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Concepts by Snigdha. Today I'm going to show you I'm going to present you a video. This is the second video of my space edition, and this video is about the eclipses. The first one is your solar eclipse. We're going to learn about this, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw the solar eclipse. Okay, so people get a lot of doubt regarding this one, so I'm going to clear all the doubts while teaching you how to draw it. Okay, so let's start drawing. Now, things you need to do or need to get to make this eclipse. Okay, first of all, the most important thing is the ruler. You can have of two sizes. I'm drawing as a smaller eclipse today, that's why you can use this smaller ruler, but I'm just taking this one as alternative. Okay, then we have the compass, and around it is very important. The pencil, sharpened one, eraser, then a marker. Okay, and then your colors. Colors are very important because I'm going to color them. Okay, so let's start drawing. First, we'll take the ruler or the scale and draw an imaginary line in the center of this entire thing. Okay, why I'm drawing this? You don't have to draw this line in a very dark manner. Just draw a very light line because it's only just an imaginary line that you have to draw, just like a base. Okay, I'm drawing the line. Okay, just mention some dots on top of it. So put a dot over here on the margin over here. Okay, why I'm going to say you later. Okay, then just put a dot over here first of all. Okay, you can, if you want, you can just make the earth over here if you want. Okay, but I prefer making the earth over here because I will only show the lit portion of the earth. Okay, you can just put the dot over here, and over here put another dot. What are these dots? I'm going to explain you right now. Okay, so now these dots are going to be the point where you're going to put the rounder, tip of the rounder. Okay, let's start putting. So now taking a little larger measurement. Okay, you can take measurement depending upon you. Okay, like how much big you want the sun to be made. Okay, then make a circle. It's like a semicircle over here. Make a semicircle over here. This is your big sun. Then make a smaller circle over here, a little bit smaller than the sun over here. I'm making a half circle for the moon, for the earth. Okay, this is a little bit bigger than the moon, but a little bit smaller than the sun. Okay, this is your earth. Similarly, half circle. Okay, I think it is a little bit bigger. You can just make it small depending upon you. You can just erase the extra lines. Okay, this is your earth. Okay, you can just erase the extra lines. Then put the dot over here. Okay, and make little bit smaller right now. Okay, make it as the moon. Hamara moon. Sorry, let me make it a little bit smaller. I tend to make mistakes while doing the circles. Okay, if you are like that, you can take the measurements properly. Okay, so this is your moon. Let us erase all the extra lines. Okay, so after erasing all the extra lines, it should look like this. Then let us start drawing the lines, that the light that is falling on the moon. Okay, so first light ray, everyone see, touch the surface of the sun, the moon and the earth. Okay, let's start. Touched. Okay, it's touching. Okay, same thing over here, touch surface of a moon and the earth and the sun. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, it's touching. Okay, then this is the first ray of light. Okay, then second ray of light should touch the top of you can see it is interexchanging, but over here it will go straight. Okay, the surface, moon, sun. Over here same thing, surface, sun, moon and surface. Okay, so now let's start to join the lines. Okay, you can see, let me just properly do it over here. Okay, you can see it's being done over here. You can see this one, and then draw the lines over here properly. Okay, this is the penumbra region. This is the penumbra, this is the umbra region. Let me mark it properly. Okay, this is the umbra, this is the umbra portion, this is the penumbra portion. Let me shade it for you. Okay, using the color pen to show the sun ray over here. See over here, I'm just putting the dotted ray lines over here. Just follow the pencil line. It's only if you don't want to do color, it is upon you. Okay, it's upon you if you don't want to do the color, but I'm trying to do the color over here, so I'm using the color pens. Okay, It is solely upon you, but the line should be dotted. Okay. Then let me draw the other line. It should, as these rays are coming from the sun, I have drawn it as orange. Okay, the lines are orange and all the lines are dotted. Okay, because these lines are following the rays falling from the sun. Okay, take it till the moon. Here you go. Then more 2 lines are there. Let's color it. Okay, let's color it. You can see I've colored this one. So then I'm going to use the dark marker pen to draw this line over here, because it's the umbra portion, the darkest portion over here. I'm going to use this line. Okay, this is the umbra of the eclipse. Okay, which means over here, from the people living over here cannot see the sun at all. Okay, and then this portion I'm going to use my dark pencil only, because this portion is penumbra, which means I'm only going to shade it out. Okay, so make it a little bit dark so that I can shade it out. Okay, I'm going to just shade this portion properly because it's only the penumbra portion. Okay, this is the penumbra portion of the earth. Okay, let me color it all, then we're going to meet. This is how it's going to look after the entire coloring. Okay, let me erase the extra lines over here. Okay, let me erase the lines over here. The lines are being erased over here. Okay, so I'm going to erase the lines, extra lines, and let us label it. Okay, use again your this one marker. Okay, this is your sun. I'm using marker because it is easy to write on any colored surface. I have used your color, that is a plastic colors. Okay, if you want you can use any other color if you want, but it is convenient to use plastic color. This is your moon, then this is your earth. Okay, and this one is your, what is this one? This is your umbra. And this portion is your penumbra. This is a penumbra. Okay, so I guess everyone, it is like you all are clear about it. So in a solar eclipse, what happens? What happens? The moon is present between the sun and the earth, and all the three are in a single line. The moon casts a shadow on the earth, and this, that is the penumbra region, actually experiences a complete solar eclipse. What happens over here in this region? Your sun is not at all visible, but over in this place your sun is visible partially. Okay, so this portion where the penumbra is there is called as your partial solar eclipse. But over here in this region, the sun is at all not visible. So over here on earth, the people over here receive what? Or experience a complete solar eclipse. Over here is a partial eclipse. Over here is a complete solar eclipse. So with this, today, this much for today, dear. I hope it was helpful for all of you to draw it. We are going to meet next time with this. Bye-bye.